At long last, inlet manifold's finally on. I was a bit nervous putting that on, double checking, making sure everything was done. Yeah, I was procrastinating, double checking information here, there and everywhere. Videos, pictures, print, you name it. So it's a little something if it ever gets pulled down again. Don't know, maybe not ever. Yes, so carby, I've got thermostat housing, thermostat, dizzy. Screw these down, the chrome, they're all being snugged up. Got photographs of those, torqued. Might even paint those chromies red. It's either one or the other, I don't know. Anyway, that's where I'm up to. Water pump soon. I did do some painting on Facebook headers I got off a guy. Cleaned them up, sand them back, and some of this. The blue. Hey Dozer. Hey buddy. Yes, alright.